Hello viewers, welcome to option trading की दुनिया. Tomorrow is all important budget day. So I'll bring today's Nifty and Bank Nifty levels based on the volatility in Indian market because of budget. So let me bring some important data points before you. And before that, let me tell you that this video is for educational purpose only. If you are trading in the markets, use the help of certified investment professional before investing. So now let me bring you the important data points that are happening right now. So if you see the option chain, you can see there is option open interest building at 17,300 this year. See 55,848 open interest. Then the next level is 17,400. So 48,344. Then there is a build up at around 17,500. So it is suggesting that 17,500 is the maximum level on the upside. So you see on the downside, hardly there is no open interest build up at all. So it is suggesting that market has got very high resistance at 17,500. So mostly the option chain looking at Nifty, it is suggesting a fall below 17,500. Yeah, so this is from the option chain. So let me come to another important data point. The second one, it is the trading statistics of FII, FPI and DII. You can see the FII statistics. FIIs have net sold 3,624 crores. That is for January 31st today. And DIIs on the other hand, they have purchased almost the same. So that is the reason why market today was trading very flat within a range. It opened higher but flat because the FII selling was compensated by DII buyers. So next let me bring the third important data point. So that is, where is the Nifty 50, that is SGX Nifty, we call it as currently. So look at here, I am taking the data from investing.com. So Nifty 50 is currently, that is 17,429, it is sticking. Then Bank Nifty is at around 38,088 and American markets, Dow futures, Nasdaq, all are up. So Indian market also is sticking higher. So these are the three important data points. Now let me come to the CPR and pivot points. So they are very important. Yeah, so let me close this window and come to the all important window. So I have kept the Nifty chart open. I have already marked the CPR. If I am making it large, I see that black line is a CPR. Yeah, somewhere here. I'll put this one away a little bit. Yes. Yeah, you can see CPR at around 17,338. And for tomorrow, CPR is very narrow because market was trading in a range. Now you see the first resistance is around 17,410, almost, that is the today's high. Next important resistance, that is the second one, is around 17,484. Yeah, and 17,556 is the third resistance. See, from the option chain we saw 17,500 level is going to be very big resistance. So even the pivot points are suggesting that 17,550 is the third big resistance. And you can see on the downside 17,266 is the first support. So this is the first support, 17,266. Yeah, then we have got the next support. Next support is around 17,191. Yeah, this is the next support line. Then we have got the third support line, 17,121. So from all this data, one thing we can be very sure that from all the global markets, there can be a chance that slightly we may get a gap up in the morning. Yeah, gap up around 17,410, that is this level. Here we may get a gap up tomorrow. So it's a $1 million question whether that gap up will be sustained or not, because downside is open based on option chain, but upside there is very strong resistance. 17,500 is a very strong resistance, and if there is a fall is maybe very large because of the budget today. This year is not going to be an election budget, so people are most of them are considering that there is going to be a disappointment in the budget, so downside is open. So this is what I have analyzed from the option chain of Nifty. And one more thing you would observe is that FIIs are sellers, and even the currency has appreciated a lot today from 17.10, which was closed yesterday. Today's closing was 74.63. So there is a very big appreciation in currency. Okay, so that is the Nifty. So let me come to Nifty Bank. So I am putting Nifty Bank on screen. Yes. So you see the central pivot range. So this is the central pivot range here. Yeah, central pivot range. You see the range is very narrow. Central pivot points are almost they are coinciding, 37,957, and central pivot is at 37,892, a very close gap. Next, you see there is very high resistance. So let me draw the resistance here. Yeah, this is the resistance. So that is 38,246. The second resistance level is 38,514, and the third resistance level is 38,816. So if there is a up move in Bank Nifty or there is a gap up in Bank Nifty, there is a chance that it can open somewhere near 38,246. Yeah, and on the downside, so I am marking the resistance support levels. So CPR is very narrow, there is no CPR big range. Yeah, there are supports at the first support, marking it here, 37,675. The second support is around 37,378, and the third support is around 37,105. So these are the three support levels based on the pivot. So now tomorrow it's going to be a major volatile day. If it opens higher, there is a chance that even the Bank Nifty may test CPR on the downside. Yeah, if the Nifty goes below, then we may see a big fall in Bank Nifty. It can go as low as 37,100. Yeah, 37,100 means around 800 to 900 points. There is a big chance, or even lower. And tomorrow, I think for the trading day, even 3 resistances and 3 supports will not be sufficient, because trading is going to be in a big range. So be very, very cautious in trading during the budget hours. Once you are sure of some trend or support taking place around these levels, that is 3 supports or 3 resistances, you can accordingly take your trade. So during the budget hours, it's always better you avoid the trade or do paper trade. Yeah, so these are the levels. If you have not subscribed to my channel Option Trading Ki Duniya, please subscribe, like, comment and share. So I will be providing you almost every day the Nifty and banking Nifty levels, yeah, for every trading day. So thank you for watching this budget episode. So budget is a very important day and going to be a volatile day. So have good trading and a enjoyable day. So standard disclaimer, please take your own informed decision while trading. Take the help of investment professionals, and also this video whatever I have put forward is for educational purpose only. So thank you. Have a nice trading day tomorrow. Thank you.